Hi guys. Confession, I've recently been obsessed with redecorating. So that led me to redecorating my bathroom. Recently, I've been obsessed with these bathrooms popping up on my newsfeed for whatever reason that I wanted to create something just like that. So, I've looked into the common themes with each of these pictures and I've come up with an overall look, which is a modern minimal black and white look. And if you want to create it with me, just keep on watching. So this is currently what the bathroom looks like. It's all empty and ready to go. I did sweep and mop and clean it. So just for the record, if you are going to do this, make sure you clean it very well. Just over the years, if you've been living there will be hair, there will be dust. No matter how well you clean it, just go over it like 2 or 3 more times. I got this tile from Home Depot, and if you want to know exactly what it is, I will link it down below. But here I am just placing the tiles. I'm not sticking them to the floor, I'm placing them. The box said you can start from the middle out. However, I didn't do that because I am very terrible at measuring, so I just put them down and flip some of them. Underneath each tile, there's arrows showing you the direction of which they should face. However, some of them did look a little weird, so I had to fix some of them to look a certain way. And then this is how mine looked overall, just to get an idea of where I'm going to place the tiles when I stick them. Once I am happy with how each of them look, I will start placing them down. As you can see in the middle of the tile, I'm leaving its paper that it comes from, just so that they're not completely stuck, because if I do mess up or say I want to take this out for later, it is much easier to take out. I recommend this for people who are also renting because it doesn't leave a sticky residue behind. So I am pushing each tile close to one another, making sure it looks more like a seamless finish and you don't see much of the cracks in between each tile. And I am just taking my time, making sure each of them are measured out, pushed close to one another. And here you can see where I'm having a little bit of trouble with the baseboard. I just cut corner by corner, little by little, so that I don't get too much of a gap. And I'm just placing them one right next to each other, making sure I measure correctly. Now around the back is also where I tried to X-Acto knife it, but I was scared that I would cut my floor. But in the end, it all comes down to measuring and just taking your time with it. So I just finished with day 1. It came out a little okay. I was expecting it to be a little bit easier, I'm not gonna lie. So the entrance is here. I think I'm gonna put a little strip right there, maybe. But ta-da! It looks okay. I put the arrows there to remind myself that I need to keep the tiles going that way. All of them kind of work together, no? I think so. That one looks a little weird. I don't know why, to be quite honest with you, but it is what it is. I tried figuring that out and then I just gave up because it's not working out and it's getting me really, really mad. So I was like, you know what, that's enough for today. We'll just keep it as is. And then the back, this kind of got me a little mad too, but it'll be fine. I'll just fix it up and cover it over here with some caulking. The bottom part I'm actually really proud of. Even though caulking will probably go around here and you don't see it that much, it actually turned out pretty okay. I thought it was going to be a little bit worse. But honestly, this is what was getting me really, really mad. But I guess it'll have to do. For right now, I think it looks pretty cool. I'll see you guys later for day 2 of finishing this floor. Alright, so day 2, I did have a little help from my dad, as you can see. We measured around the toilet and all in the back. Now you can see where it kind of got a little funky, but we just put a lot of floor sealer, as some may call it. I'm not sure what the difference is. I think there's a difference though. But anyways, this is how it turned out. I did get the wrong floor sealer because it did turn yellow, as you can see around the bathroom. And I think that's because I got the caulking that was closer to the hardwood floor section, but it's no worries. I can always go back and reseal it again just to take extra precautionary measures, but this is how it turned out. Oh yeah, that was project number 1. I hope you guys liked it. Like I said, I will change the floor sealers. I thought it was like floor caulking, but it looked like on the little bottle it said sealers. Yes, I will be changing the little floor sealers, I guess, into a white clear color. This one over here, it was actually white, so it looks a little better. I believe we got one that was near the hardwood flooring. That's why it's a little brown, because obviously they have to match like wood floor rather than like a marble floor. So I have to get white and that will look much better, but that's least of my worries. I just wanted to get it sealed in and done so that it looks good. I want to do so many things with this bathroom. But yeah, if you guys want to see any more videos like these, give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you want to see next. I'm obviously not the best at doing this whole construction thing, but I had a lot of fun. So if you guys want to see more, please stay tuned. Click subscribe, like, comment, all that fun stuff, and I will see you guys later. Bye.